Hello guys, welcome to another video. So today we will gonna talk about the XenServer. As you guys already read the title that today's video is about the XenServer, but if you guys missed the previous video, you can check it out in my description or in a I button. So this is my second video on XenServer. Today we will gonna see how to run XenServer on virtual machine. So let's go to the screen. So check it out. And this is the process how you can install. So now it's booting up the system. So first you need to download the VM for XenServer. Then you need to add VM file in Oracle VirtualBox. Then this is the setup. This is the first initial step. After booting up, you need to set up the click. So now it's checking. So now you need to accept the license. So click OK and click. So now you need to select the hard drive. So I haven't select the hard drive yet. So this is the setting. So first you need to select the hard drive and the VM file. First you need to select this VM file. So here it is. So now you need to select the local drive for that. You can install on local drive, on cloud, or using NTP server. Uh, Now you need to enter your password for that, for your root password. This password should be more than 8 character, I thought. So make sure your password is strong. So now you need to enter your IP address, your network setting. So you have a DHCP option, or you can enter your manual IP. So I'll go with a manual IP address. I'm entering my IP address and gateway. And so if you want to connect with your internet, so you need to enter your gateway and DNS. So if you don't want to connect, so you can leave it. So now you need to select the alternative DNS server. So now you need to select the time zone, your geolocation. So now select the NTP time zone if you want to select it. So select the manual time. So I don't want to add the NTP server, so select the manual. So now click OK and install. So now it's preparing for installation. So it might take few times, almost 10 to 15 to 20 minutes. You have to wait for that. After installation, it will boot up and restart your machine. Hope you guys like the video. So if you like the video, so please give the thumbs up.